everyone, myself is Dr. Sharad Giramkar, working in PDEA's Anna Sahib Magar College, Harapsar, Pune, India. In this video, I will explain silent features of Phylum Mollusca, characteristics of Class Gastropoda, Pelecypoda, Placophora, Cephalopoda, and economic importance of Mollusca. Dear friends, please keep watching till the end of this video and subscribe this channel for next videos. If you like this video, please press like button and share this video to your friends. Now we'll discuss about the silent features of Phylum Mollusca. They are mostly marine and few are terrestrial. They are soft and unsegmented bodies, triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical animals. Body is divisible into head and visceral mass, mantle and visceral foot. Body carries mouth, eyes, tentacles, but tentacles are absent in Pelecypoda and Cephalopoda. Visceral mass contain vital organs. Mantle is thick fold of body wall and covers mantle cavity. The foot is thick, ventral, muscular, adapted for creeping, burrowing, and swimming. Digestive system is complete with anterior mouth and posterior anus. In gastropods, scaphopods, and cephalopods, intestine is U-shaped, bringing anus to anterior position. Radula is a rasping organ present in buccal cavity. Respiration by tenidia or gills present in a mantle cavity. Excretion is one or two pairs of metanephric kidneys. Nervous system consists of paired cerebral, pleural, visceral, and pedal ganglia. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal or external, and development is direct or indirect with trophophore larva. Dear friends, we'll discuss about the next one, classification of Phylum Mollusca. Phylum Mollusca are classified into four classes. These are Class Gastropoda, Pelecypoda, Polyplacophora, Cephalopoda. Examples: Phylum globosa, also called as a snail, bivalve, chiton, octopus, and sepia. Then we discuss about the characteristics of Class Gastropoda. The members of these species have foot and visceral mass, mantle and mantle cavity, body is asymmetrical and coiled due to torsion. Head is a distinct, bearing tentacles, eyes, and a mouth. Foot is broad, muscular, flattened sole-like, and adapted for creeping. Shell is spirally coiled, univalve. Anus is located on anterior position, close to mouth. Radula is characteristic organ of gastropoda. Respiration is by single gill or tenidia. Nervous system is ganglionated type, consists of pedal, pleural, and all these types of the ganglia. Sexes may be separate or united. Fertilization is generally external or internal. Development is indirect. Example: Phylum globosa. Next is characteristic of Pelecypoda. They are mostly marine. Some are freshwater forms. They make burrow in mud and sand. The animals belong to this class are bivalves containing two lateral walls in shell. There is no cephalization, means head, eyes, tentacle, jaws, radula, pharynx are absent. Foot is muscular, blade-like, adapted for burrowing. Mantle is bilobed, completely closed, encloses the body. Respiration is by paired gills or tenidia, present on one on each side. Alimentary canal is coiled with fair of digestive gland. Heart is enclosed in pericardium, has two auricle and one medial ventricle. Nervous system is ganglioid type, consists of pedal, pleural, etc. type of the glands, etc. type of the ganglia. Presence of statocyst and osphradium, that is the specific character of Pelecypoda. Generally, Pelecypodans are unisexual, some are bisexual, for example, bihorn. Next, characteristic of Polyplacophora. Polyplacophoras are dorsal-ventrally flattened and bilaterally symmetrical. They have distinct head without eyes and tentacles. Shell is compound, made up of series of 8 calcareous plates. Foot is flat, ventral, bilaterally grooved, containing gills. Radula with 7 teeth. Digestive system is complete with coiled intestine, excretory system by means of the excretion by means of the nephridia. Nephridia are extending from pericardium to lateral groove. Generally, polyplacophoras are unisexual. Fertilization is external. Development is indirect with them by formation of the larva. Example, chiton. Next is characteristic of class Cephalopoda. Generally, cephalopods are marine, pelagic, raptorial mollusks. Foot is modified into numerous tentacles. The tentacles varying suckers, and generally tentacles are 8 or 10 or maybe 19 tentacles. For example, in case of the Nautilus, body is asymmetrical, divisible into head and trunk. Head is large with mouth and pair of large eyes. Respiration is by 1 or 2 pairs of bifactinate gills. Well developed visceral mass without torsion. Shell is either external or internal or totally absent. They have ability to spray ink when threatened. Means ink gland generally present in case of the, for example, in case of the sepia. They have very developed brain as compared to other mollusks. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. Development is direct or indirect. For example, octopus, sepia. Next is economic importance of mollusks. We'll discuss about, first of all, beneficial mollusks, then harmful mollusks. Beneficial mollusks. Generally, mollusks are used as a food. Chiton are eaten as main food by red Indian tribes of America. Bivalves, octopus, cuttlefish are used as a food in Europe. Mollusks are eaten in China, Japan, Malaya, Europe and America. Some of the mollusks are used as a bait. For example, squid make excellent bait for catching fishes. Members of small octopus are used as a bait by the line fishermen of Park Bay. They are also used as a money. Red Indian tribes of America use common dentalium as a currency. Some of the mollusks such as squid, cuttlefish, devilfish are commonly cultivated and harvested as a earning source in the food market of China, Japan, India and Italy. Molluscs are also used as an ornament. Shell of Nautilus is used for a decoration. Dentalium, gastropod shell and teeth are used as a ornament. Some are used to form a dye or ink. For example, earlier we discussed about the sepia consists of the ink gland. That ink of sepia is rich of brown pigment which is used as a dye. Then, dear friends, we discuss about the harmful mollusks. Generally, some molluscs are the herbivorous. Some of herbivorous gastropods like slug, snails, damage garden plants, vegetables, mushroom beds, and other wooden structures. Some carnivorous molluscs are there. Carnivore molluscs causes destruction by prey. Parasites, parasitic gastropods are also there. They act as an ectoparasite of echinoderms. Some intermediate host. Some snails, for example, some snails acts as an intermediate host parasite as a fasciola hepatica, cystosoma, etc. etc. So this is about the phylum Mollusca. Thank you so much. Thank you.